Hi guys, look at that. I'm standing here out the rain. Should I run? Okay, let's do it. So basically, I'm outside in Sweden in the stupid rain. Look at it. Do you see that? Oh my god, yo. Oh my god. Whew. I'm soaking wet here. This video is about 0 to 39. Look at me, look at my shirt. And I'm soaking wet here. And how you guys doing? Alexander Weeks 12, what weather do you have? Okay. Tell me in the comments which weather you guys like. I have to go up. So, oh shit, look at that. Oh my god. So basically I'm here in shall I tell you where I am? I have to close the door a little bit. I think I will get sick tomorrow because I'm with house here outside in the rain. So I was cleaning my phone. I'm recording on my phone. Do you guys hear that? It's raining. Yesterday was beautiful weather when I was about to go in, and when I was about to go in and sleep. It's raining too much. Oh my god. That's insane, guys. And now the video is about to end. I hope, guys, you have some